Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels from the Hot Wheels J Import series. This is number 5 out of 10, and this is the 1989 Mazda Savanna RX-7 FC3S. And this is the white version, with white tires as well. White wheels. This is looking really cool. This is the newest version, well, the second newest version of it. 176 of 250 for the year, and this is on USA Card. Scored this at a Dollar General a while back, like maybe a month ago or so, and been saving it in the packaging until now. I'm going to open it up. It's from Diecasts. GTB04 is the number. Quite a long name. I'm not even going to say that again. Hot Wheels J Imports is a series of a dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles, and 2020 is the copyright. Here's the first edition one from 2020 in red with the lace wheels, and now we're going to open up the white one right here. Let's get it out of the packaging. Oh man, nice clean open. Sealed right back up. Here's the newest version of it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful casting. Loving the Hot Wheels J Import series. Front wheels spin independently, the rear wheels not independently. There's the base there. And we'll do a quick spin of it. And then I'll give you a closer look at the details. Here's your look at the two vehicles side by side. And let's take a closer look at the white one. So we've got some white PR5 rims that spun pretty well, and that white paint job, it's even got mirrors included. Let's take a look at the interior. Steering wheels on the right side, black interior, really liking that. There's a back seat too. Let's give that a spin. Painted headlights. And there's pop-up headlights there, so I think those might be like parking lights or something. Nice look at that vehicle right there. Nice windshield. There's a sunroof right there. Another look at the interior there. I think it's a cool thing. Very cool. Loving the wheels. I like the white wheels on a white car. There is the inside there. The back says RX-7 Mazda with these two-tone painted headlights or painted taillights with Hot Wheels on the license plate. Sweet casting. Base is metal. I mean, the base is plastic. Sorry about that. The white is metal. And there's the base there. This thing is sweet. Sweet casting. Give it one more little spin. Give you some nice shots of it there. Really liking this one. Really liking this one. Hot Wheels J Imports. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe for more.